To find the inverse of this function, we can start by putting it as y instead of f of x, just to give us one variable instead of dealing with a bunch of notation. By the way, this doesn't mean times, okay? This isn't f times x. This is function notation because of the italicized letter. That means the name of the function is f, the variable of the function is x. Okay, we've got y equals 9 minus 6x to the third. So in order to get the inverse, we switch x and y, and then we solve for y. So I'd first subtract that positive 9 from both sides. I'd then divide both sides by negative 6. And then I'm going to use the property of exponents to get rid of that third power. I'm going to raise both sides to the 1/3 power. And the reason why I'm choosing 1/3 is because I know that 1/3 times 3 makes 1. That's y to the first power. In other words, just y. The exponent's gone. And so this is our inverse. That's what you'd want to type into Mobius. So the way I'd do that is I'd make a parentheses for my numerator and a parentheses for my denominator. And in the numerator, the top part of the fraction, I have x minus 9. In the denominator, I have negative 6. And then it's all being raised to the 1/3 power. So let's wrap the whole thing in parentheses and then press the shift key and then press 6 while you're holding the shift key to get the caret. And then I'm going to use another parentheses to tell Mobius, hey, this whole thing is the exponent, not just the 1. If you were to just type 1/3, Mobius might think it's raised to the power of 1 and then divide 3. We need to make sure it knows that this is the power.